Presenting the 2009 Lexus RX. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are cruise control, power steering, auxiliary audio input, rear defrost, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, and automatic headlights. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.